Have you ever struggled with paper tickets? Many people find them easy to lose. Digital tickets are a great solution. To start, ensure you have the SBB app installed on your device. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app. You'll need a Swiss mobile number for registration. Now, let's log in or sign up. Enter your phone number, and you'll receive a verification code. Now, let's explore the app. Click on the Tickets tab at the bottom. Enter your departure and destination stations. Then, select your travel date and time. Don't forget to choose your ticket type. Review your journey details and check for any discounts or offers available. Once satisfied, click I'll buy. The app will process your purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your ticket. Find it in the My Tickets section of the app. Before your travel, ensure your mobile device is charged. Keep the app open during your trip. Show your digital ticket to the conductor when asked. In summary, we learned how to download the SBB app, register for an account, and purchase a digital ticket. Now it's your turn. Download the SBB app today and try buying a ticket.